Hi everyone, I'm Morgana Gopalkrishnan, student at OUM, going to deliver informative speech about education for this course. It is with great honor to be with you today to share with you the importance of education. Education has been an essential process for everyone because it leads to a better future. Life without education means you will not understand what is happening around you. Education plays an important role in providing us the adequate knowledge and helps us interpret things and apply the knowledge in real life. Even though education is not limited to classroom settings, we can learn from experience and events, but still education is the foundation of learning. Education does not only provide us with knowledge, but it also helps us to be conscious about our behavior and shaping our character. Education provides us an additional knowledge about our environment, what is expected of us. Through education, we become more civilized and matured. Therefore, good education makes us more human. As we all know that education is the key to success. It gives us the opportunity to see the world from different perspectives, open doors and various careers into economic success. Therefore, investing in education meaning have a better chance to be employed and living a better life in the future. Every student needs a college degree to increase his chances of being employed in the formal sectors. Workers with college degrees earn more money compared to those without college degrees. Research revealed that an additional year of schooling raises individuals' earning the power to more than 15% compared to with standard qualifications. One of the recent studies by the education experts states that 4 years of college can increase your earnings in the labor market by 65%. It is clear that education and economic achievement are intertwined, and for this reason, education is the main driver for achieving equal employment opportunities for everyone. Even though the country has made progress by opening doors to enable everyone have equal education opportunities, we need to put more efforts to enable the minority groups to see the benefits of education. When I reflect back on my education attainment, as a Malaysian, I can say that we have achieved a lot in the past few years. High school dropout rate has reduced among Malaysians for the past decade compared to other minority groups. This is an encouraging trend that we need to maintain to have a bright futures that awaits us. Education can do wonders to build confidence and making key decisions in life. If we have adequate knowledge, we can easily understand and accept failures and handle success properly. The only way to reach our career success is to set our life goals. When education forms part of it, everyone wants to success in life by earning higher salaries and living comfortable life. We all need money to survive. It is through acquiring a good education we can achieve our goals in life. Lastly, education is an important not only for individual but also the progress of our nation. We need to equip ourselves with adequate knowledge to enable us to improve the economy in the future. Even education is not among the basic needs. We need to realize without education the country cannot prosper. Therefore, an educated society will make the country become a place to live in. In conclusion, being educated means being empowered and discovering our talents so that we can sharpen them and make use of them to improve our lives. Thank you for your time.